I hope y'all can hear me because I just got an air conditioner for my room. It's been so freaking hot in North Carolina. Oh my gosh, I cannot take it. And my house does not have central air, so I had to get an air conditioner, and it's like right beside me. So I apologize. I hope y'all can hear me. Hey y'all, it's your girl Don Beauty. Today I have a quick, easy hair tutorial for short hair, and I've been working this for the past few days, but I needed to, switch it up. I needed something different. I cut my hair 2 months ago, and it didn't grow long enough for me to put it in a ponytail now, so I'm happy about that. And I am currently transitioning. Like, I have a lot of new growth, and up until now, I've been putting like a lot of heat on my hair because I got so much new growth coming in, and I've been wearing my hair straight all the time. So I just needed something to give my hair a rest from the heat, so I wouldn't hopefully damage it too much from the heat, you know. But yeah, I love this hairstyle. I miss my length. So yeah, it's cute, ain't it? Been getting a lot of compliments, you know. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Also, I've been using new hair products like from Shea Moisture. I've been using the, what is it called, Jamaican castor oil, which is for transitioning and also relaxed hairs and curly hair, natural hair, all of that. So it's really good for me to use since I'm still wearing, my hair straight, and I'm also transitioning. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not going to talk too long. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope y'all found this helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The button is right down there somewhere. All you gotta do is take a second and click it. Subscribe to my channel. And I hope you guys have a blessed day. But I will see you guys next time. Bye. Okay, so starting off, you're gonna need a brush. I'm using this for my hair. I'm using that brush for my weave hair, a comb, moisturizer, water, and edge control and gel, and rubber bands, bobby pins, and then a wrap and a blow dryer. First, I'm going to start off using the pointier side of the brush. I'm going to brush through my hair. Then I'm going to add water, get my hair nice and damp. I'm not going to completely wet it because I don't want my hair to be like completely curly, you know. I'm just going to distribute that all through my hair. Now taking the comb, I'm just going to comb through my hair, get it nice and detangled. And as you can see, like my natural hair, like I have a lot of new growth. Like, it's crazy. I'm so surprised at myself that I was able to get to this long, without relaxing my hair. There I was just showing you how long my hair is. So now I'm just splitting my hair, getting it parted to how I want it. Now I'm going to be using the olive oil rich hair moisturizer. I'm just going to distribute that all through my hair. I'm going to comb my hair out again. Now I'm just going to comb it back to a ponytail to get it to where I want it. Now I'm taking Eco Styling Gel in the olive kind. I'm going to sleek my edges down, sleek my hair down. You can really see my new growth though. You see how, wavy it is. I have a lot. So now I'm just brushing my hair down so I can get it nice and laid. Brushing it back into a ponytail. And I put the gel all, around my edges and in my hair, but for like to get my edges sleek, that them baby hairs on fleek, I use the edge control. But that's gonna come later. So now I'm making sure like everything's nice and neat and laid like I want it to. I'm just gonna brush it down a couple more times. gonna take a rubber band and tie my hair up. I'm just putting bobby pins on the sides so my hair can stay where they're at on the sides. Now I'm taking the Murray's Edge Control gel, and this stuff is amazing. If you haven't tried it, you definitely should. Yeah, I just use this to really lay my baby hairs down and to get like a nice sleek edges. So now I'm taking my do-rag. I was about to say do-rag, but I'm taking my hair wrap and I'm just gonna wrap my hair up. And to save a lot of time, you could do this at night and let it air dry, which is what I usually do, but since we're in a hurry, I'm gonna use a blow dryer and I'm just gonna, you know, blow around all my head with the blow dryer until I feel like it's dry enough. And this is how it looks when it's dried, nice and laid. Now I'm gonna take some weave, and I got this hair from the, you know, the local hair store. They didn't pay too much for it. So now I'm just taking a bobby pin and I'm gonna put it through the very end of it so we can start putting it in my head and start the wrapping. So now I'm just gonna start wrapping it around my ponytail. And this hair is the same color as my hair, and it's I do like this hair. Like, as long as you take care of it, it will do very good. It will last. So now as we're wrapping, I'm just putting bobby pins in to make sure it's nice and secured, making sure it doesn't go nowhere. And it's very easy to put bobby pins in and to where it will hurt. So you have to be careful with that, making sure that you're not placing the bobby pins in like too tight, or like, you know, where it's pulling your hair, because it can be very uncomfortable. And I hope at this angle you can see what I'm doing. I'm sorry, this is probably a bad angle, but I hope y'all get, you know, the idea of what I'm doing as I'm doing it. And you have to make sure like the weave doesn't get tangled as you're wrapping, so it's very important to like kind of finger comb it and like guide the whips while you're wrapping it around, so you won't have like a big old mess when you're done trying to untangle it. And we're finally done wrapping, so now I'm just securing the very end of the weave. Now I'm just gonna brush the hair through. And now I'm just taking a piece of hair, and I'm going to be using this piece of hair to wrap it around the ponytail so that no rubber band or tracks are showing, so it can look natural. And I'm going to use a bobby pin to secure it, make sure it's not going nowhere or unravel, because you definitely don't want that to happen. But yeah, finally finished. And I just love this look, y'all. Ain't that cute? I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.